All right, guys, it's Louis the Bullet Man, your favorite HVAC poppy. And guys, we're here at the Energy Show, and you know how much of it I love. And then here, so I'm over here with my man, George. George, tell everybody there a little bit about you, where you from. I mean, I see you're from East Haven, Connecticut. So tell them.
So I've been involved with OESP for almost 42 years. I'm very active in here for OESP on the education committee. But my journey in life is I'm running a 90-year-old full-service heating oil company out of Connecticut. It's now on 4 generations.
4 generations.
Yeah, my grandfather started it. My father took it over. Then it was me for number 3, and my son's 4th generation. He's been at it for 10 years.
Nice. Where do you see the industry going now? I mean, we're talking about 4 generations. That I don't know what they say was 100 years. What's 100? That's not a decade. That's a centennial, a century. We're talking about a century worth of experience here and family owned. Where do you see things going the next 100 years in this industry?
Well, I don't know if I could forecast what 100 years are going to do for us, but you know, right now, Liquid Fuels is starting to promote biofuel, right? Which I'm sure you've seen up on the island.
I know. We're definitely starting that over on Long Island. I mean, it's been a while already. I got my personal thoughts on that. But, hey, listen, it doesn't matter about what I think. It doesn't matter what I feel. It matters what's going to be more efficient in the future and for the boiler. So it doesn't. My opinion doesn't count. Para la mierda. But it's okay because we're going in a good direction.
The industry is driving to renewable fuels. And by 2050, we are supposed to be on B100. So that's total biofuel, no fossil fuel whatsoever. And we now are running on burners. The big 3, Carlin, Beckett, and Riello, are building these burners to fire this type of fuel so that we can continue to deliver a deliverable fuel to customers that we've been servicing for 40 or 50 years already.
I don't ask you a question that a lot of people probably wanted to know. Do you feel, I don't know, I want to ask, do you feel fossil fuels just going to go away? Do you see it anytime soon that's just going to disappear?
My gut feeling is I hope not.
I hope not either, but because, and also the other question is, do you think anybody could just do this trade?
Listen, if anybody could do it, it would be called easy. And It's not easy. So it's a hard trade. You need to work hard at it. You have to have a lot of education to do it. So it's not a job for everybody. You got to be mechanically inclined. You have to absorb everything that you're taught. And
I think what you're trying to say,
you'll be a good tech.
I think what he's trying to say, listen, he's a little old school. I'm gonna make it very short. You're gonna have some cojones, guys. You're gonna have to say, some huevos and say, listen, I'm gonna do it, and you gotta get it done. And I agree with you because I just feel a lot of this generation coming up. Listen, I think they're doing a good job with the tech, but I think they need a lot of people with, to say, listen, I got the cojones to do something different. Because the trade, if you ask me, I don't think they're ever gonna go out of style. Because people say, oh, trades this is a boring job. Listen, it's boring if you make it boring. But if you have somebody like George, who has 100 years plus experience. Well, I'm sorry, 90 years, but we're going to 100. And of course, you got Louis the Bullet Man, HVAC pop up here to make it sexy. You got burns that together. Woo! Oh, sure. He dropped something. Listen, somebody, your job you pay. I don't know what happened over there, but I'm not paying the bill. But guys, this is what's important, guys. What's important here, that we're connecting, we're networking, and you know what? We're learning from our abuelos, our ancestors, and moving forward. So guys, if you guys are watching, listen, follow my man over here, George, if you need anything done to your boiler, if you're in Connecticut, because this guy got 90 plus year experience. But if you want that handsome guy to go with the OG, because once you mix that recipe, you got a perfect margarita, guys. So guys, stay tuned, mi gente.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, that's right. He's absolutely right. How can they get in contact with you if they want fuel oil service? What's the best way to contact
Right
you?
on our website. It's F. Pirelli and Sons Fuel. Just go right to the website and you can see it all.
What are you trying to say? Just Google me. That's it.
Google me.
That's it. Google me.
I pop right up.
Woo, I love that. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody knows me as the Wepa Man. Count of 3, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa.
Thank you.
Thank you, boys. I appreciate it. Thank you, buddy.
Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York boiler en general. Va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor. llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. ¡Huepa!